Hi everyone, welcome to All About Lifestyle. Before I jump into this video, I just want to let you know about this new thing I created in my room, and I love it so much how it turned out. Yes, I'm talking about my wall art gallery, which is nothing much fancy, but it has my dreams, love, inspirations. So let's get started. Everything that surrounds us is recognized as a work of art. It is not only in sculptures, paintings, or maybe photographs will be stated that it's an art. What we see around us, regardless how big or minute it will be, they can be called art. When the thing is something or maybe get hold of something which is priceless and ever beautiful, whether it be a technology or possibly an ancient painting, treasure it and discover it how to give value to it. So the wall I'm talking about is basically just a collection of images, quotes and really whatever one can include that serves as inspiration for you. This wall is without question one of the most important law of attraction tools for me. I'm a big fan of this wall, also called dream wall. It is not only a precious visualization tool, my wall helped me to manifest all my dreams. That's why I wanted to show you how you can create a wall that actually works. A dream wall offers clarity, focus, and motivation to go after what is most important to you. It places what you want to happen in your life at the top of mind. This wall helps you focus on how you want to feel. As you look at it, the more those feelings will start happening in your life. The idea is to create a visual that focuses on who you want to become. Think about what you would like to have, where you would like to live, and how you would like to spend your day. Now the question comes what to put up on the wall. You can include anything from magazine and newspaper clippings to photos, handwritten quotes, handmade paintings, handmade arts, badges, anything. If it inspires you, it can go on your wall. You can start going through your magazines and ripping or cutting out pictures you love. Look for things that you love, things that make you feel positive thoughts and words that are impactful. You can create your wall online by downloading images from Pinterest with magazine images and posters. I personally prefer having something tactical so that I see it in my hands. Whatever you choose, make sure it's something you can look at daily. If you don't have magazines laying around, ask your friends. You can also check out thrift stores for magazines. So you can see here that I have collected some images from magazine. As you all know how much I love decorating my home and interior styling, so it's all about interior styling only. This is an old planner which contains so many inspiring quotes, so I collected all of them for my wall. Your dream wall should be at a place where you will see it every single day. So don't stick it in a closet or behind the couch. Find a prominent place to display it where you can really soak it in every day. Maybe it can be hung above your desk or put it on your bedroom, somewhere you can't ignore it. It's important that you look at your wall at least once a day. Many people suggest looking at it before bed because your subconscious can process it while you sleep. My personal opinion is to focus on it for at least a few minutes at the same time each day, whether it's a part of your morning routine or before bed. When you are looking at your board, really focus in on how you want to feel. Act as if you are feeling and experiencing each thing on your wall. Don't worry about making your wall perfect. Just get started and enjoy the process. It's important that you are in a good mood, happy and relaxed state of mind when you are doing this project. Make sure you have a clean space to work in and plenty of time to focus inward. Light a candle or turn on some music. This should be a fun time to focus on you. Now that you have it made, use it. It's important to take time looking over it, believing these things can happen, and keeping your eyes open to seeing these feelings and events happening in your life. Now you know where you want to go. Essentially, you have the dream map ready to go, but you have to follow it. Also, keep in mind we can only control how we react to certain circumstances. This is it I wanted to share with you all. I hope you have liked my idea. If so, then please subscribe the channel for more cool updates. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. I'll see you in the next video.